Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Zane, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here today.
Anna, you look very curious. What are you looking at?
I am looking at that picture on your desk, Zane. Is that your family?
Yes, it is. I was looking at it this morning while I drank my coffee. That is my father, my mother, and my sister.
They look very happy. And look at you. You are wearing a blue shirt in the photo, too.
Of course, I always wear blue shirts. It is my system. But today, we are not talking about my clothes.
No, today we have a very special topic. We are talking about family.
Exactly. In English, a very common conversation starter is, "Tell me about your family."
People often ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? Or what do your parents do?
So today, we will learn the vocabulary for family members and professions or jobs.
And listeners, Zane has a funny secret about his family.
Oh no, do we have to tell them?
Yes, because your father's job is very surprising, especially because you are such a bad cook.
Okay, it is ironic. We will talk about that. But first, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button.
Yes, and share this video with your family. Now, Zane, let's look at your family tree. So, Zane, tell us, what does your father do?
My father is a chef.
A chef. That means he cooks food professionally in a restaurant.
Yes, he works in a big restaurant. He makes delicious Italian food.
Okay, listeners, here is the joke. Zane's father is a professional chef, but Zane, tell them about your cooking skills.
I am a disaster in the kitchen.
Remember last week, he tried to make pasta and he burned the water.
I know. I forgot the pot was on the stove. The water disappeared and the pot turned black.
So your father is a master chef and you burn water.
It is very sad. He tried to teach me, but I usually just ate the food. I didn't cook it.
Well, maybe one day you can learn.
Maybe. What about you, Anna? What does your father do? Is he a chef too?
No, my father is a doctor.
A doctor. Wow, that is a very important job.
Yes, he works at a hospital. He helps sick people.
Is he busy?
Very busy, but he loves his job.
So we have a chef who cooks and a doctor who helps. Now let's talk about siblings.
Siblings, that's a useful word. It means brothers and sisters.
Anna, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one brother.
What is his name?
His name is Tom.
And is Tom older or younger than you?
He is older. He's 29 years old.
So he is your big brother.
Yes. What about you, Zane? Do you have brothers?
No, I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah, that's a nice name. Is she older?
No, she is younger than me. She is a student.
Oh, a student, like me. I'm an art student. Does she study art too?
No, she studies music. She plays the piano.
Wow, so your family is very creative. Your dad cooks art and your sister plays music.
Yes, and I teach English and wear blue shirts.
Teaching is creative too, Zane.
I guess so, but I cannot play the piano like Sarah. Now, Anna, tell me about your mother. You are an art student. Is your mother creative?
Yes, very. My mother is a writer.
A writer? Does she write for a newspaper?
No, she writes children's stories, books for kids.
That is amazing. So your mother writes stories and you draw pictures.
Yes, sometimes I draw pictures for her stories. We're a good team.
That is very cool.
What about your mother, Zane? What does she do?
My mother is a teacher.
A teacher, just like you.
Yes, I followed her, but she teaches little children, primary school.
And you teach adults on YouTube.
Exactly. She has to be very patient with the little kids.
You have to be patient with me sometimes, Zane.
No, never. You are a great student.
So let's review your family, Zane. Your father is a chef, but you can't cook. Your mother is a teacher, like you. Your sister is a student, music, and you have a dog, Max, right?
Yes, Max is part of the family too. He is unemployed. He does not have a job.
His job is to be a good boy.
Okay, listeners, let's look at the grammar we used.
When we talk about jobs, we use the verb to be.
He is a doctor, she is a writer, I am a teacher.
And don't forget the little word a or an. In some languages, you say he is doctor, but in English, we say he is a doctor.
Or if the job starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, we use an. He is an engineer, she is an artist.
Exactly. I'm an art student.
Wow, we learned a lot about our families today.
It was fun, but talking about your dad, the chef, makes me hungry.
Me too. Are you going to cook dinner tonight, Anna?
Yes, I will make a salad and maybe some pasta.
Delicious. I will order a pizza. I don't want to burn the house down.
Good idea. Pepperoni pizza?
Yes, my favorite.
Okay, before Zane goes to eat pizza, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, tell us about your family.
In the comments below, write a sentence about your parents. My father is a driver, engineer, farmer. Or my mother is a nurse, teacher, manager.
Or tell us about your siblings. Do you have an older brother or a younger sister?
We love reading your comments. It helps us get to know you.
Thank you for joining us today on English with Zane. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.